Hi friends, welcome back to channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll show you what is the RAM availability in the Realme X1 Max and the Realme GT smartphone. So this is a question which has been asked by a few of my subscribers. Can you please show us what will be the RAM availability if you try to clear everything from the background RAM management out of 8 GB of RAM? That is what I'm going to exactly compare between both smartphones right now I do have. So is a Realme GT smartphone and is a Realme X1 Max device. And first let me start rebooting and let me clear everything from the background. And both phones right now I'm trying to use the 8 GB plus 5 GB external RAM capabilities as well during the process of demonstration. As you can see friends, let me show you exactly 8 plus 5 GB completely enabled. Let me first show you what is the RAM availability. This is available in both phones. Always the Realme X1 Max has got more RAM available than the Realme GT device. Yes, more RAM, always. So just a little bit every time. Let me do the restart of both phones. Now you'll be able to understand clearly what is happening with the RAM management between both phones. So after doing the restart, we'll get to know friends. So as I said, this is a question which has been requested by few of my subscribers. That is the reason I thought of making a video on this particular topic. So which might be useful for a couple of other users as well. And both phones are completely rebooted successfully. And let me go to the process manager and let me clear everything from the process manager as well. Additional settings and go into the process manager, and I'm trying to clear everything from the background. I don't want any applications running. So all the apps are completely clean. As you can see friends, everything is clean. Now it's time to check what will be the RAM management between both phones. Clear everything. As you can see friends, the Realme X1 Max. So 4.73 GB versus 4.37 GB. Exactly, you can see. So this is not only once, always. I did use both phones for the past. The Realme X1 Max I did use for a very long time. And this is the phone for the past 5 days. I did observe this thing. Always the RAM availability in the Realme GT is very low when compared with the Realme X1 Max device at this point. I can even show you the different thing. So this is another way how you can actually see the RAM management memory storage. So as you can see, total RAM and average used, how much it is used. As you can see, available memory. Clearly you can see the difference. So average used is 48% and here it is used 66% without doing any kind of task. As you can see friends, clearly what is happening between both phones. The main reason can be if you try to tap on this option, then you will be able to see the clear benefit what is happening in this both phones. After you tap, try to click on the Android operating system. As you can see friends, clearly what is happening. So here the Android operating system from the Realme GT is taking more RAM, 2.5 GB RAM than the Realme X1 Max. So 1 GB is consuming more in this phone. As you can see friends, clearly what is happening between the Realme GT and this phone. So that's it friends, this is a quick comparison which I thought of just showing you what is happening between the Realme GT regarding the RAM management versus the Realme X1 Max. This can be the MediaTek Dimensity processor versus maybe the Snapdragon process. So I'll try to do another research as well, comparing with another Snapdragon from the Realme phone as well. So make sure to stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.